Hi friends, how are you? Soy Natasha Luna, the Argentinian actress in Hollywood. If it is your first time in my channel, please subscribe. If not, welcome back. Today we're going to continue with this cauliflower that we left from the gnocchis. Do you remember? So we're going to do this in the oven. So first of all, let's turn on the oven. The second we do is separate the cauliflower. I'm going to do it with my hands, and we're going to respect these natural trees and ways that it has, like this. That was what my mom says, but today we're going to eat trees, and we're super excited. So in that way, she gave us cauliflower and broccoli, and we always eat it. Once we have our cauliflower trees, we put it in a pot for the oven. Now what we're going to do is to spice our cauliflower. I'm going to put some pepper, of course, some salt. I don't use that much salt, but as much as you want. Garlic. How do you say? Powder of garlic. And I'm going to try something different. I'm going to put some turmeric. I love this color, isn't it so beautiful? But as I'm not sure about the taste, really, I'm going to make it in the half. So let's try how it works. And now, after this, we just put it in the oven. Super, super easy. We have a snack, we have a meal. I'm going to put it in a flour, like a salad, probably of green leaves, like spinach. I like to eat spinach raw in a salad. So I can imagine these green leaves and the white cauliflower on the top. That would look really nice. Once we have everything spiced, we put it in the oven. We put that cauliflower in the oven for 15 minutes, then we take them off, we turn them a little bit, and we put it again for another 10 or 15 minutes. Let's go and see how it is ready. It is so ready, it looks so good. I think that turmeric tastes delicious, so enjoy it. That was all for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Soy Natasha Luna, the Argentinian actress in Hollywood. If you didn't follow me yet, subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. That's actually another social media that I use. That is the same, @soynatashaluna, @NatashaLuna. Leave me in the comments if you have any suggestions or whatever comment you want. Thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye!